Hello, Racquel.
Yeah.
Outside. I know it's early, but me could wait for me there to come talk to you. I have nobody else to talk to, so come meet me outside, please.
What's so early? I left your husband.
Yeah, you don't know me. It's not like the first me I tell you this. You know I walk on already, so come on.
Alright.
Oh, me and my husband have it again.
What when do?
Him came in last night, so me start searching. Because him smell different. Him have on this woolly heap of lipstick on his shirt and whatever, so me confront him. Me say, oh you just a come in so late. And me there so I feel we anniversary and we there so you're not even could call and say happy anniversary. You just come in drunk, have on lipstick all over you and things that me fi please. So me say me nah do this no more. Me say me nah do this no more. So me leave. Early this morning him still asleep in the bed. Me just come out.
So somewhere we go.
So you know my friend me can't stay with you. How much bedroom I have?
But some you know say me married, why you wouldn't just want to come?
So what if you're married? Your husband not gonna have a problem with that. You're just helping out a friend until a friend can get back on her feet. You know me who do you that.
My husband is a good guy, you know, and me no want no problem in a marriage.
So how will that cause a problem? Me come by for few weeks. Let me say the latest a month till me can get an apartment for rent.
Alright, you can see.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
He's still loving me. He's still loving me. Though I caused him so much pain, I've done my share of wrong.
Building man. I am Samantha.
Samantha, Kemar.
That sounds fun. I will be staying with you guys for a couple of weeks. The latest a month.
Staying with us?
Yes.
Okay. And you said you're staying with us.
Yes. You have a problem with that?
Problem? Maybe. I mean, I was never told by my
Really?
wife that anybody would be coming to stay with us. So,
Oh.
you know, and for you to stay with us, it has to be a decision made by both of us. So,
I don't
I'm
know
not
why I
sure.
should never say anything about that. I don't know why I should say anything.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to have a conversation with her before I can say for sure that I'm comfortable with you or anybody.
So why
No,
would
no, no, just
so why come here? Why would you not be comfortable with me? Come here.
why are you coming so close? I don't know you.
Alright. It's okay.
All right.
You
So
get to
like I
know
was
me
saying,
soon.
let me just say this from afar. Like I was saying, I'll have a conversation with my wife, and then we'll make a decision from there. But thank you for letting me know. Honey, I need to have a conversation with you. So, I was approached by your friend. I think she said her name is Samantha.
Oh, Samantha, she reached?
Yeah, she's here, but what I want to know is how did you make a decision of her staying with us for some time, well, according to her, even a month, without consulting me first?
Because I'm a best friend.
Yeah, but it doesn't
Come
matter.
on.
The house is for both of us. We both make decisions in this house. So how do you
I
make
know.
a,
We
right,
both, so I made the decision.
yeah, but you didn't come to me with a decision. You didn't come to me with
I didn't think
anything
I
to
had to
say.
because she's my best friend.
Regardless of she's your best friend or not. So you're saying that if I have a best friend, I can tell her to come here and stay for a month?
Her?
Yeah, her.
So your best friend is a girl?
Regardless of a male or female, I'm asking you.
But she's a female. She's not a male. It's not like a
well,
she's a
just
male.
to let you know that your female friend was touching on me. She was getting too close.
That's a lie. Probably because she's so friendly and whatever. You just run into conclusion. Come on.
I'm gonna make this abundantly clear to you. This is our marital home.
Hold on. She's married too.
I don't care.
She's just having a little problem.
I don't care if she is or not. I'm saying to you that this is our marital home, and you're not going to make respectfully, you're not going to make any decisions without me being a part of the decision making. So I'm just trying to get that clear to you right now. I have no problem with your best friend staying here. If she's going through some problems, okay, no problem. We all need to help each other. What I'm saying to you, don't make a decision without coming to me.
What is it? She's here? Samantha!
So you're walking away from me now? So I'm talking to you and you're walking away.
You already made the decision. You already said we can't have her. So why are you still there arguing?
Alright, no problem. No problem.
Come on, man. Samantha,
Yes.
you reach.
Mary, so I won't discuss so long like an have a problem with me coming here.
I don't have no problem. You know, Bryce is a good guy, but everybody have them issue.
Just want to know if it's going to cause a problem, because we just go bunk somewhere else,
You not cause no problem. Oi!
This
What's
one I come
Sanique?
so early. Oh, you follow behind me for?
How she do ya?
Yeah, my husband at it again. I can't bother.
So, Bryce didn't know that she come down here?
Huh?
Bryce didn't know
I
that she
introduced
No,
myself
we
and the
never
brother not
know.
even know me.
So how you and her friend and Bryce don't know her? I don't understand that.
What a friend you are.
And everybody, girl, you look nice, so we can't really introduce her to my husband.
Okay.
Yeah, Bryce.
So look here, so I'm here the idiot then. Me introduce her to Bryce. I'm here the idiot.
Sorry, I tried. So I don't look good.
Say that.
So you like your husband and your husband look nice?
Your husband cool. Your husband too. Your husband that talk to people.
He can't talk up to anybody.
Why?
He must talk to whom he tell him to talk
Excuse me, so you are ruler?
to. Yes, I mean run things in my house.
Oh, now so much to start do my husband too. Else mood I get. I'm cheating now.
I be a
I'm
box up you get.
Oh gosh.
Yes, I be a box up she get.
So much that mean beat yourself.
This last night at 2 times me get
Are you
kicked
make it
down.
reach to 2
And you're
times?
proud,
2 times.
you're proud.
My
And
mother
this
always
time,
tell me,
me decide say me give him a wet slap in him
Yeah.
sleep this morning
My
and
mother
come out.
always tell me say if a man lick you 1 time, don't make him lick you 2
2
times.
times. But I true me never have no what's going on. I can't bother
I
with
go
it.
like you are this bad girl.
You too rough.
Oh,
You,
I tell
you woke up for your
this man.
No,
You
see your
can't
husband
pay
can't
for
even
with
talk
them.
to nobody, not even say hello to nobody. You just see.
So
No, me no in that one there with
So
you.
you figure.
No, you can't deal with your husband, so
When
man.
you do that, then me know say I feel me him, me have him locked.
Alright, so what I do? That she had to live the luxury.
Yes, girl, she get one good one.
I tell you. Me come and see this. I missing your husband at work out today. Allah, Sanique. You want to see the man muscle when I...
You know, see how me big mafia.
No, me sure why the
You
woman
mafia.
never introduced her to her husband.
Don't admire your husband.
Alright. Nah, admire him much.
Make sure.
Alright.
So out there, so we're going to set up and talk
You
about
done? So you get introduced to my husband already?
Yes. Look on his face. You can't smell.
Come on.
You have a problem with me?
No, I don't.
Okay, you know, show me where I'm staying.
Straight.
Here.
You don't have to be here, so
I'm done having this discussion. She's your friend. I don't really care.
It's getting to know me. What's wrong with you?
I have no problem getting to know you, but you're making me very uncomfortable.
How is it that I'm making you uncomfortable? Hey.
You're coming too close. You're coming too close.
So what?
I'm married, and you're my wife's best friend.
And I am married too.
Right. So there are boundaries. We don't cross certain boundaries.
Really?
Right. Yeah.
Really? You're telling me that of all the females that you work with, that your wife? What happened? Then I have my yard to go. Why are you here so stay away?
I know my friend too.
Yes, but where are you here? Listen. The body.
He's still loving me. Though I caused him so much pain.
Samantha just a fishy run husband. This morning I come out to my living room. I'm gonna touch up her husband. I want me walking, she have one like she never did. I do not come ask me if me have no yard. You must have to send her home though. If you send her home, because you know her story already. She love take people man. And a big old married woman. No one knows.
Never hear that before.
Me I tell you, you know see so she stay. So who you gonna believe? Ask your husband.
I'm my best friend.
Ask your husband if you think I like
And I'm telling you, I'm my best friend. Just stop.
Alright, now tell your husband. Guys, come here. Come here.
So you and him are making a story
How
now.
your wife take me feel like Samantha never did that for you this morning.
Yes, she would.
Alright.
And I also told her that when she just came to the house, she was touching on me and she was coming too close. According to her, I'm lying.
You
I'm
tell
making
her,
up
you
a
said I love you,
story.
no? Watch how she gonna mash up your marriage.
Anything
You
that
have a
happens in
good
this
man.
marriage, just know that it's on you and not on me.
You have a good man, you're gonna
Samantha just finally.
Anything that happens in this marriage, just know it is not on me, but it will be solely on you.
I'm not just an exaggerate.
You can't say me never tell you. You can't say me never tell you.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go on the bill and come back. You alright?
So I'll make you go and do so early.
Because I have business to do.
They never tell me about that though.
Anyway,
You know, say your husband not really like when me there, you know. Me like when you there with me, you know, because I always have bad face.
you're a big woman, Samantha. You must care manage yourself. All you have to do is stay in your room.
So I never stay in my room like a figurine.
Try call your husband.
Me not calling. No.
Please.
It's alright, it's alright. You don't have to worry about me. You don't have to
Husband.
worry about me. I'll take care of this.
Try to call your husband.
It's okay.
And
I'll take
see
care of
what
it.
can happen.
Later.
Yeah.
We have a champagne then.
Hmm?
I feel for some champagne. We have it.
Let me have champagne.
Yeah.
Around the place.
Alright. Later. Thank you.
What is?
Moscato.
Ah!
Alright, kids.
So what you gonna do with it?
So, man, drink something, man. Oh, God. I have to take all the stress off of me. I have to drink something. So, we can't take this.
So we need to call him.
Me not call my husband, man. Jeez. Me not call him. It's too much. Me can't take his stress. Me can't. Me just live my life for a couple minutes now. Couple days, couple weeks, by a month, me gone out there like. Jeez. Okay, let me just see my. I have to give me today. I'm pregnant. He not gonna mind me. He never jokes him and say he breed me. I love business.
Imagine me tell this woman, it's her so-called best friend. I get too close, she had touched upon me. And she have the audacity to tell me, say I lie, me I tell her, I make up stories. God, you see if anything go wrong in the marriage, I hope she knows that she had the fault and not me. Because I went to her, I could have held it from her, I could have kept it from her, but me say, you know what, I'm a wife and I'm going to do the right thing by going to her. Prevent a problem before the problem even starts. And she refused to listen to me. So anything that happens, it's not my fault. It's her fault. And I hope she knows that.
Hi.
Bye.
I'm going to Mandeville.
You're going to Mandeville.
I'll do some business and come back.
So you are stupid enough to leave me alone with this parasite that you have here as your friend?
Again?
Yes, again. Don't play naive and don't play stupid. Why the hell would you want to leave me
The
with your...
thing with Samantha, she's just friendly. She is just
Well, she's
friendly.
too friendly for me.
And that is it.
She's too friendly for me.
On.
You know what? Alright, no problem. Do what you have to do. Do what you have to do. I'm done talking about this anyways.
Anyway, later. We left some drinks. Some champagne, the Moscato. I just pull it so you can drink some.
Yeah, whatever.
Really? You're still there? I am. I'm going to Mandeville.
You really left your teeth with us, son? I'm surprised you don't come back, you can't find me.
You're funny. Anyway, you must say for Samantha.
Okay.
Just stop. Just stop now.
Alright, go on all this
Look
side.
no more.
Go on, you can't say me never tell you. Go on.
Come on in your yard too. Come.
Enough, me come on.
I tell this woman of my problem, she will tell me so she leave things for drink.
Still loving me.
I don't feel so well. What's happening?
Bryce. 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 What I say? Fall on the feet of yard now hard with the cage.
Why did I close up like this?
That was good.
No. No, 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 no.
What?
No, no.
I love what I feel. Oh gosh. This is what Racquel has been sharing all by
Don't
herself.
tell me. Do not tell me. No, 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 no. No.
It wasn't a dream, baby.
You need to stay as far. Just stay away from me. Stay away from me.
What? You didn't like what you...
Stay away from me. In fact, you need to leave this house
You didn't like
right.
all
In
this.
fact,
You didn't like all this.
you need to leave this house right now.
You didn't like all of these. Could just. Oh, please. Okay. It's still. I don't care. I'm gonna get what I want. And to be with you, it wasn't that hard.
Oh, make you a bit of your bed, though.
This is your fault. This is your fault.
My fault, Simon.
Your so-called best friend just raped me.
What do you mean, you're so...
Why are you laughing
When I
like it's something? This is nothing to joke. This is nothing to joke about.
I'm gonna just take this thing to a whole different level. Rape?
You are behaving like you are a delusional person. Like you don't have no sense.
So how somebody rape man?
You said you left something for me to drink, yeah? I went into the kitchen. I started to drink.
Oh,
Then I
here we go.
started to feel as though something was wrong. The next thing I knew, I was getting up off the ground with my pants pulled. I came in the living room, and there your best friend was, practically naked. The only thing she had on was towel wrapped around her. And she was asking me if I didn't enjoy it. There was semen on my pants, my underpants, and here I am trying to explain something to you and you're taking it for a joke. Seeing that you
I
believe...
just don't believe that Samantha would do that.
You know what? To the hell with you and to the hell with this. You can
Just
believe...
stop. Just, come on, just stop. Just, right.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi, Bryce.
What the hell is this demon doing here again?
I don't care what you want to say. Look at the paper. So why you do that?
I don't want to see what's on that.
The little one is growing inside.
The little one is going inside for who?
For you.
So all along,
No. You don't get to say anything, no. I'm going to do the talking, no. Because when I came, no. When I came to you and I told you about these crosses that you have as
Oh, you calling
friend,
crosses?
Samantha, what did you do?
You know
I
what?
take what is mine.
What is yours?
That.
I'm going
That
to leave
what?
this place so that you and your so-called best friend
I
can have a
don't care what you want to say. You got a mind. You're going to take responsible for this.
This what?
My child.
What child? What happened?
He got me pregnant.
So all along they have been telling the truth.
They have been telling which truth.
So you're real.
Sanique, chat too much. Sanique, we go and go hold her corner. Every minute she come over here, I watch him man like, I what?
Never
And
realized.
first of all, you behave like you don't want him. So
They expect this from somebody
I'll
else.
take
Never
him.
expect this from you. You have a best friend.
And
And
we share. Best friends share each other. Best friends share
Well,
stuff.
Well, I'm so sorry.
What?
This
What?
don't belong to him.
Oh, you know that. You were the one here when we're enjoying ourselves.
Go check your husband or one of the many men when me always I hear about and me never know say you kept on doing it. Check them and see which one of them get you pregnant.
Your husband get me pregnant. It's your husband.
Samantha,
Mm-hmm.
my husband is not the one who got you pregnant.
How you know that?
What do you mean? How do I know that is my husband?
Mm,
You see we with that child?
no.
Do you see us having a
I
child?
have something wrong with you, nothing wrong with me.
Nothing wrong with me. My husband had a vasectomy.
What?
My husband had a vasectomy. So you choose the wrong husband. Why you never choose Sanique husband, an idiot? Come out of my house.
Oh gosh.
So love when you're my dirt on the surface.